Hello dear students, welcome back in my channel Chemistry in Engineering. Myself Dr. Jyoti Shegokar, and I welcome you in this channel which is made for the study of engineering chemistry. Guys, as per the NEP, again one of the topic which has been added in our syllabus is green data servers. Under the heading of green technology, as we have seen lot of topics. So one of the topic is again there, that is the green data servers. Just like the green devices, green data server is there. Again, the meaning of this particular word is that green means environment friendly, environment that it must be green. For that, do whatever you can. So that is the word of green, meaning of word green. Data servers are the computers or the systems which stores the data, which process the data, and which distributes the data. That is called as a data servers. So particularly the green data servers means those servers or those computers which do all these processes that are designed to operate with a maximum energy efficiency, means it should require a very less energy and it should give very high result. That is the data servers that are designed in such a way that it is having a highest energy efficiency and very minimum environmental impacts, that is hazardous effects on environment. So for this, what can we do? For this, the number of processes can be designed, number of things can be optimized which are related to computer. Means optimize such type of processes in which there should not be any carbon footprint. In the particular IT operations, carbon footprints are to be reduced, and according to that, we have to design the data servers. That is the meaning of green data server. म्हणजे green data server म्हणजे असे डेटा सर्व्हर डिझाईन करा की ज्याच्यामध्ये एनर्जी कमीत कमी लागेल आणि एनर्जीचा इफेक्ट जास्तीत जास्त येईल. कमीत कमी एनर्जी मध्ये खूप जास्त इफेक्ट येईल, खूप जास्त सर्व्हिस मिळेल, असे डेटा सर्व्हर्स डिझाईन करा. दॅट इज व्हॉट अ ग्रीन डेटा सर्व्हर. आणि त्यापासून काही एन्व्हायरमेंटला पण हॅझार्डस इफेक्ट होऊ नये. दॅट इज द मेन मोटो बिहाइंड इट. सो green data servers. Now, to study that particular green data servers, we have to see the different type of aspects. By the different type of ways, what can we do that is to be done. Okay, so some key aspects are given there. First, energy efficiency. Again, moving to that same point, that to optimize the processes, to design the processes, to using the efficient processors. Means now whenever it comes towards the energy efficiency, energy आपल्याला वाचवायसाठी किंवा कमीत कमी एनर्जी मध्ये काम करायसाठी, अगेन इट विल कम टुवर्ड्स प्रोसेसर्स, मेमरी अँड स्टोरेज सोल्युशन्स. प्रोसेसरशी रिलेटेड काही असेल तर सोल्युशन्स काढा. प्रोसेसर अशी यूज करा की जे कमीत कमी एनर्जी घेतील. प्रोसेसिंग अशी करा की ज्याच्यामध्ये कमीत कमी एनर्जी लागेल. स्टोरेज असं करा की कमीत कमी एनर्जी लागेल. आणि लास्ट त्याचे सोल्युशन्स असे मिळवा. मेमरी अशी क्रिएट करा, मेमरीमध्ये मॅक्सिमम मेमरी फिट व्हायला पाहिजे कमीत कमी एनर्जी एफिशियन्सी मध्ये. दॅट ऑल इज देअर अंडर द हेडिंग ऑफ एनर्जी एफिशियन्सी. आता इथे एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत. लो पॉवर सीपीयूज. लो पॉवर सीपीयूज मीन्स व्हॉट एव्हर it is giving low power? No, it will require low power. कमीत कमी पॉवर लागेल असे CPUs यूज करा. Next, use SSDs. SSDs, it is nothing but solid state drives. Solid state drives, these are the very efficient drives. They will require a less energy and produce a higher energy. They may have somewhat costly than the HDDs, that is the hard disk devices. But it is more superior for the energy, but wherever it is used, it will be more superior than the HDDs. So use such type of SSDs only. So this is the meaning of totally energy efficiency. Hope that you all understood. Now next point is virtualization and cloud computing. Virtualization, from this word we can say that it is nothing but the use of more softwares instead of hardwares. जेव्हा ही क्लाउड कम्प्युटिंग यूज करायची आहे. क्लाउड कम्प्युटिंग म्हणजे काय की कम्प्युटरची डिलिव्हरी, कम्प्युटरची टोटल डेटा सर्व्हर ज्याच्यामध्ये आहे असा, पण व्हर्च्युअली. म्हणजे एक सिंगल, वी हॅव टू यूज अ सिंगल सिस्टीम फिजिकली. फ्रॉम दॅट means single data server physically. From that, number of virtual data servers should be created. That should be created and then it is to be reached to the particular type of a system. म्हणजे एकाच वेळी खूप साऱ्या कम्प्युटर्सचा यूज इन द सॉफ्ट वे व्हर्च्युअली. म्हणजे व्हर्च्युअली वी हॅव टू, म्हणजे व्हर्च्युअलायझेशन वाढवा. That means the meaning of virtualization and cloud computing. A simple system will be attached as a hardware, then it is attached to lot of softwares, and then it is providing the data wherever it is required. That is the meaning of virtualization and cloud computing. So it should be adapted. The example is VMware and software Hyper-V. These are the particular platforms which are provided virtually to provide the data as a data server. Okay, so in this also the VMware is somewhat superior because it can be used for the computer systems, it can be used for different type of again Android systems, but only the software Hyper-V, these are generally related or associated with the Microsoft type of systems. So in this also when we want to choose something, we can choose VMware. So these are the main platforms which are prepared for virtualization and cloud computing. Okay. Now next is efficient cooling solutions. So cooling solutions, whenever the system is used, any type of electronic device or system जेव्हाही आपण यूज करतो तेव्हा त्याच्यामधून काहीतरी एनर्जी इव्हॉल्व होते, एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होते आणि त्या एनर्जीमुळे त्या हार्डवेअरला काही इफेक्ट होऊ नये. दॅट इज द मिनिंग ऑफ द कूलिंग प्रोसेस. म्हणून प्रत्येक वेळी वी हॅव टू नीड टू कॅरी आउट द कूलिंग प्रोसेस, बट here the cooling process in that also it must be efficient. म्हणजे त्याला पण कमीत कमी एनर्जी लागायला पाहिजे कूलिंग प्रोसेसला. ओके, सो एफिशियंट कूलिंग सोल्युशन्स मस्ट बी गिवन. असे सोल्युशन्स द्या की ज्याच्यामध्ये कमीत कमी एनर्जी लागेल आणि कूलिंग प्रोसेस प्रॉपरली आणि कमी वेळात होईल. एक्झाम्पल्स आर लिक्विड कूलिंग, फ्री कूलिंग. दीज आर द particular methods which are there for the cooling. In case of this liquid cooling, generally the green related or eco-friendly related solutions are given. So that's why in this case also green liquid cooling and free cooling, liquid cooling is more superior. Okay, now moving towards the next point, renewable energy sources. So renewable, from this word we can easily understood that those energy sources which are renewable, which can be used a lot number of times, energy can be converted from one to the another form, like the energy of solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy. That type of energies must be used where there is a data server is there or the data server total system is there. So for example, there is a system of Google, there is a data server of that Apple, Google, Apple. These are the types of data servers or the systems or the particular type of, we can say that the softwares or computing systems of software that are using the solar energy totally. 100% use of renewable energy is there in this case. So it is one of the point which can be as a pride for us. So use of solar or the use of renewable energy in Google as well as in the Apple. Okay, now next is the efficient data center design. So data center design means that design which is designed by a particular engineer or by a particular software engineer. It must be efficient. How it is efficient? It is efficient in terms of to get the higher product, to get the more products in a less energy, but at the same time it must be environmentally friendly. That is the meaning. So here lightening process, optimizing airflow, all these things must be eco-friendly or environmentally friendly. So it is designed in this way that it should consume less energy and give more and more product. Okay, and now last is a resource optimization. In this the dynamic provisioning. This particular example is given. In this that those mathematical operations which are used inside, that should be again in such a way that they will give a very high or the very fast product. Very fast solutions should be given so that energy will be less consumed. So this is one of the example of resource optimization, means resources, software resources when we are going to use, that should be optimized, that should be specifically particularly chosen. That is called as a resource optimization. So in this way, whenever we will study all these points, we can move easily towards the green technology. So this is all about the green data servers. Guys, in the examination, this point can be asked for 3 to 4 marks. Green data server. So when this term is there, just write its definition or related introductory portion and the different key aspects. With that, you will get a total mark. Okay, so it is a very important point, exam point of view, as well as in our life also. Generally, all the topics which are there in this chemistry are related to life. So that's why this subject is very important. So thank you guys for your watching, and thank you for staying with me always. If you like this video, like it, share it to your friends which are required this video, and also subscribe if not already. Okay, thank you, and hit the bell button for the next such type of videos. Thank you once again.